Hello, 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 and happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to a new version of the Remote Learning Music Classroom. This is a special Fun Friday edition because we have a DIY, that means do it yourself, instrument project that we are going to do today. But don't worry, this project is very simple and quite easy, should not take too much of your time, but you'll get to have a cool instrument at the end of it. So here is all you will need. You will need some rubber bands. I have mine in a rubber band ball, but maybe you just have loosey-goosey rubber bands. That's okay too. Then you will need a box of some kind. I have a relatively small box, but maybe yours is a large one. Maybe it's not made of cardboard, maybe it's made of something else. But either way, you will need one end that is open, like this, because that is going to be your resonating chamber, which is basically kind of like the body of a guitar or a ukulele or any other kind of string instrument. So here is the process. Basically, you're going to take your box and you are going to wrap rubber bands around it like so. And so you will want your box to look something like this. See, I've got some of my rubber bands doubled around because the tighter your rubber band is, the higher the sound. The looser it is, the lower the sound. Hear that one? Yeah, so on this side, this is kind of like my bass. And then this side with the higher notes is kind of like the treble or almost like a ukulele. You can pluck them individually, you can strum them, and you can maybe pluck two at a time. And then if you get really good at it, you can play both sides at the same time. Pretty cool. You've got yourself a nice little instrument. And then the plus side too is you can flip it upside down and it's a drum as well. You're an entire band with just one little quick DIY instrument project. I would love to see what you come up with your boxes, with your box guitars, your box ukuleles, whatever you'd like to call them. And feel free to send me photos, send me videos, show me what you work on at home, and maybe we can make our own little string band, who knows. Hope you enjoyed the project. Hope you're having a wonderful, fun Friday. Stay safe, and I hope to see you all soon. Take care. Be well. Bye-bye.